Want to make animated kids videos but don't want to spend a dime? Well, today I'm going to show you how to create high-quality kids videos using completely free AI tools, and how to make money while doing it. Think about popular kids channels like CoComelon or Blippi. They built massive audiences with animated content. You can do the same without expensive software or hiring a team. And the best part? You don't need any animation experience. So, let's dive into how you can start creating with AI today without breaking the bank. Step 1. Choose your niche and target audience. Before creating your video, you need to choose your niche. Kids content on YouTube is incredibly popular, but you need to decide what type of videos you'll create. Popular kids content niches include educational videos. Teach basic concepts like the alphabet, colors, and shapes. Storytelling. Create fun adventures with animals, fairy tales, or superheroes. Songs and rhymes. Kids love catchy songs and nursery rhymes. Fun facts and challenges. Engage kids with fun facts about animals, space, or nature. Picking a niche that you're passionate about is important because it helps you connect with your audience and makes the entire process more fun. Step 2. Write your script with free AI. Now let's get to the fun part, writing your script. And you won't need to write it manually. ChatGPT can help you write your entire script in no time. Just type something like, write a short story about a dog learning to share with friends. ChatGPT will generate the perfect script for your kids' video in seconds. The key here is to keep your script simple and fun. For kids, shorter sentences and a clear storyline work best. Once you have the script, you're ready to move on to animating the characters. But don't worry, we'll keep it free and simple. Step 3. Create the animation with free AI. Now that we've got the script, let's bring your characters to life. You can use Pencil 2D and Blender, two amazing free tools for creating animations. Pencil 2D is a free, open-source 2D animation software that's simple to use. You can create characters, backgrounds, and even animate simple movements by hand or by using templates. Blender is a more advanced 3D animation tool, but it's completely free and used by many professionals in the animation industry. You can use Blender to create animated environments, characters, and even entire scenes. With Pencil 2D, you can animate things like characters walking, jumping, or interacting in different scenes. It's very user-friendly, and there are tons of tutorials online to help you get started. Blender, on the other hand, is great if you want to dive deeper into 3D animation, but it requires more time and learning. But the best part? It's 100% free. Step 4. Add free AI voiceover. Once your animation is ready, we need to add voiceovers. And lucky for you, there are free AI voiceover tools available too. Balabalka is a free text-to-speech tool that lets you turn your script into a voiceover in seconds. It supports multiple languages and allows you to customize the voice. VoiceMaker also offers free access to voiceovers. You can choose different voices, adjust speed, and even add emotions like excitement or sadness. These tools will give you realistic, kid-friendly voices that are perfect for your animated characters. You can even adjust pitch and tone to match different characters. Now that your animation and voiceover are ready, it's time to put everything together. For free editing, DaVinci Resolve is a fantastic option. DaVinci Resolve is a free and professional video editing software used by many YouTubers. You can use it to add background music, find royalty-free music on platforms like YouTube Audio Library or Free Music Archive, add sound effects, use freezouyundi.org to get free sound effects for your animations, create text overlays, add titles, captions, and educational pop-ups. Ensure the video flows smoothly, and remember, kids love colorful and dynamic content. Use simple transitions and upbeat music to keep them engaged. Step 6. Upload and monetize. Now your video is ready, and it's time to upload it to platforms like YouTube. Once you upload, don't forget to optimize your title, description, and tags with keywords like kids educational video, learning for kids, or fun kids animation. When your channel starts to grow, you can apply for monetization through YouTube's partner program once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. This will allow you to earn money from ads. Other ways to monetize include affiliate marketing, promote kid-friendly products or toys, sponsored videos, partner with kids' brands, selling digital products, create and sell educational content like coloring books or worksheets. Start creating and earning with AI. And that's how you can create animated kids videos with completely free AI tools and make money. You can get started today without spending a cent. Remember, the key is to stay creative. Keep your videos fun and engaging, and most importantly, enjoy the process of creating something new. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on more tips and tricks. Have any questions or ideas for your own AI videos? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!